So you might be in a situation where TikTok is just not allowing you to go ahead and make an account. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, you're probably going through TikTok.com or TikTok, the actual, application, and you might be trying to go through and use an existing email or using an existing login method to basically log in or create an account. Now, if it's not letting you create an account in general, what I would recommend doing is just double checking your information that you're using. So if you're choosing something like use phone or email or whatever the case is, you might be seeing that you might be typing in either the wrong information, and TikTok can basically tell if you're using some sort of like third-party way of using a third-party phone number or a text, like a free texting app, or a temporary email kind of situation. So you might just want to make sure you're not using one of those types of situations, because if you are, well, chances are TikTok's not going to allow you to make that account. It's very similar with all these other methods out there too, like Facebook and WhatsApp. And if you try to use a different phone number or email that's like a third-party temporary phone number, temporary email, they're not going to allow you to do that. So just try to understand that. Now, another thing is, if you're trying to log in via these methods, the Facebook, Gmail, Apple, method, these probably have the highest likelihood of success. So if you're trying to create an account this way, like with a phone number or email, and it's not allowing you to do it, you might just want to go through your Google account or your Apple account. This is probably going to be the easiest way to go and kind of go through it. So just, make your way over to your Apple account or your Google account and try logging in via these methods, because chances are, if you do it, that might actually end up fixing it for you. Now, if that still doesn't work, what I'd recommend doing is trying to update your, TikTok application. So just make your way over to your app store, just like so. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on the search bar at the bottom, and you basically want to search up the TikTok application. And all you're going to want to do is basically tap on TikTok, and you want to update this app. Probably for a vast majority of people out there, if you literally just update this application, it may end up fixing the problem for you, and that's probably all you're going to have to do as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.